Good thing the Jag's already blue, because everything else is. The diff had like black stuff that would come off with the wire brush. So I assume it's grease. So I'm running it in the parts washer. Probably leave this going for a day or so. And then put a splash shield up. Alright, it's October 2nd, I think, Sunday. Derek has got the hood on the Audi color sanded and polished. It looks pretty good. So now I cleaned the diff in the parts washer. There was a lot of caked on schmoo, and when you do that though, because it's so alkaline, you end up with light crusty deposits. Plus the back cover had a lot of pretty intense surface rust, and so I'm putting it in the evapor rust to try to wash the rust out. We'll have to see. I think that this batch is pretty much done. I put the bolts that go in here and soak those overnight, and they didn't come out very clean like we usually see. I got a 3/4 of a fresh bucket in there with the compressor and the hot water heater. But if this doesn't look like it's doing anything by noon, I'll just redirect this back into the pump it out, and put the fresh in there. All right, I have the evapor rust spraying ever gently on the diff cover. Down in that area there was the pretty heavy surface rust on it. So it's setting so that the seals aren't underwater, although I don't think they would leak that much. It's not like there's any pressure or anything. So I'm just gonna let this run overnight, and we should be good. These pieces on the ends I'll pull out because I have to put new seals in there, so I'll clean those all up more, but I'll be able to get the diff all painted up. And Derek's got his hood painted, the fender painted, nose painted, so the Audi's finally coming along.